I'm Chris Eaton. I work in the 3D print lab in the School of Engineering, Paris building. In the 3D print lab we do lots of student projects, we do lots of research, aerospace, medical, architectural, dental. We do a wide range of research across the board. We also use lots of different materials. We use resin, we use plastics, we use metal, carbon fibre. We've got lots and lots of printers on hand doing a wide range of prints. Working at university is really important as we're teaching tomorrow's engineers, and I really enjoy teaching the new students, watching them grow, watching them learn new techniques of 3D printing, general engineering, ready for the outside world. The greatest moment to date in my career at university is during the COVID pandemic. We printed over 4,000 visors for the NHS, which was a great achievement for the university to help the NHS and key workers across the UK. We tried to help them as much as we could in the intensive care units with the breathing apparatus as well as the face visors, which was really good for me to do that.